What up guys, it's MartyBlendz and we're back with another cinematic tutorial. Today we have a clean low fade, so watch and learn as I go step by step. The first thing I always do is comb through and make sure my partings are nice and straight. To debulk, I always come in with a high number. In this case, I came in with the number 6. I now come in with my number 2 and create a light guideline. Now with your preferred trimmer, make the lowest baseline possible. Try to keep it low all around and drop it a slight bit towards the back. Now get rid of everything underneath. With your lever open, make a 1/2 inch guideline. Remember to shave off all the stubble underneath the baseline. With your clipper all the way closed, hit that guideline halfway through and keep opening up until you're at a full lever open. Remember, be patient during this step. Now with my half guard halfway open, I create a 1/2 inch guideline. Following it up with a number 1 open right above. The next step is to go with a 1.5 and create another 1/2 inch guideline. On here, I just made sure the number 2 was well set in. Now with the number 3 guard, do not create any more guidelines. Make sure you flick out and let the machine do the work. Now another thing to keep in mind while cutting is detail. Sometimes you see something you don't like, come back and just work on it a little bit more. Clipper over comb if you still think there's too much bulk. Finally, with your lever open no guard, get rid of that final line at the very bottom. Guys, my model in this case had very difficult hair to fade, but don't let that discourage you. Keep using your corners and take your time. To shear work the top, I basically layered it and debulked all the bulk on the side. Guys, here's the finishing product on today's low fade. Thank you guys so much for sticking through the entire thing, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. That's it for me. Again, I'm MartyBlendz, and I'm out. Peace.